Is that awesome? Okay. Here we go. Here's your third spoonful. Okay, pull your spoon out for a sec. Ready? Here you go. Mmm, yummy. That's delicious. That is delicious. Okay, goodness, that's excellent. That's an excellent year for rice cereal. Okay, that's it. All the rice cereal. You ate it. Good job. Okay, let's do a little wipe. Yeah, little wipe. Woof. Toot, 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 toot. Okay, everybody. That was Zibby's first rice cereal. What do you think? Was it yummy? You know, you're ready for your milk meal? Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody. Until